Okay, so we are going to continue with our next assessment tool. This one is called Quest Based, and we can check in here. We can find assessments that are already made in the internet, but we are going to sign up for free here. We can connect to Facebook or sign up for free, answering questions for personal information. So I already have an account. I'm going to log in with my email and my password. And we're going to go down here where it says Start Quest. We can check in here. Already have an assessment created, but we're going to add a new one. So we click on Add Assessment, and we need a title. We're going to use the same one. Okay, so click on Next. Then it asks us for a description. We change the description here, some clue words, and we click on Next. It is an educational test, so we're going to leave it like that, but we can choose in here if it is a survey, a psychological test, or other. And click on Next. We can select any of the items that we want in here, display questions in random order, let's say yes, then set the maximum time, let's say 20 minutes. The passing score will be yes 17, and allow only one access. We can select that and click on Next. We can choose in here we want to request the following custom fields, first name and last name, or if we don't want to. Then we click Next, we can click on Create, and we start adding questions. We can choose in here, we have multiple choice, multiple answer, true or false, multiple true or false, fill in the blank, essay, and except test, just to read, just for the students to read. Let's try with multiple choice. We click on Next, and we have in here our first question. Let's use the same topic. What is the first planet of the solar system? We click on Next. Then we add in here the answers. The first possible answer would be Thanos. Then we confirm. Then we add a new answer. Let's see, Mercury. And since Mercury is the correct answer, we select this checkbox and we click on Confirm. Then another answer and Confirm. And we click on Next. Answer is required. Next, and we can choose in here how many points do we want to give them if the answer is correct. For example, we can give them 5 points, and if the answer is wrong, we can give them 1 point or a 0. Then we click on Create, then Close, and we have in here, I already have 1 question, so we can add another question in here. Then we choose again, let's see, true or false. Next, so we need a text in here. Let's see. Andromeda is the name of the galaxy. next. It is false, so we need to place in here that this is the correct answer. We confirm it and we click on next. Answer is required. No. And the points that we want to give. And we click on create and close. Okay, so we already have 2 questions in here, and we can keep adding questions, as many as we want. Then we click in here. When we finish, we click on the name of the assessment, and we have in here the options about what do we want to do. So let's see, in here we can publish the assessment. This one, yes, is in options, and we click on sharing. And we don't have any student assigned in here, but we click in here, we can enter the name of the students with their email, and we're going to share the assessment with them. So that is how you create an assessment with Quest.